In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open Excel files in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. This method works best on a desktop or laptop since it uses the file upload window from your operating system. Next, go to drive.google.com. This will take you to Google Drive, which is the simplest way to open an Excel file in Chrome using Google's tools. If you are not already signed in, complete the sign-in process so you can access your Drive. Once you are in Google Drive, look to the top left corner of the page and click the plus new button. A menu will open with several options. From that menu, select File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload an existing file from your computer, such as an Excel spreadsheet with an XSX or .xl extension. After you click File Upload, your computer's file browser window will appear. Navigate to the folder where your Excel file is saved, click the file to select it, and then click Open. The upload will begin immediately. If your file is large or your internet connection is slow, this may take a little longer, so be patient. Watch for an Upload Complete notification that appears in the bottom right corner of the Google Drive window. This confirmation is important because it lets you know the file is fully uploaded and ready to open. Now find the uploaded file in your Drive list. Double-click the name of the file. Google Drive will open a preview of the Excel file in your Chrome tab. In the preview screen, look near the top for the button that says Open with Google Sheets and click it. Google Sheets will convert the Excel file into a format you can view and work with directly in your browser. At this point, your spreadsheet opens in a new tab, and you can view your Excel data right inside Chrome. If you want to keep changes, allow a moment for Sheets to finish loading so everything displays correctly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.